Grassfire single, and this is my live assignment 1 for comp 361. So here is my algorithm in a GUI window, and we are seeing the two windows for this. And I will try to click the find and highlight button, and then it highlights the path between the end start and end. And we also have a button for print values, which just prints the array of this map in the terminal, and where we have a list of all the buttons that has been clicked beforehand in this specific one. And we are showing the walls by black, and red is the end and green is the start, as we have shown in the assignment. So for this I've used the library Tincter. Tincter is a library which is used with Python to create basic GUI for different type of graphical softwares. So I've used the Tincter library, and I've used the TKM Mac OX, which is nothing but some library which is present for using buttons and all different type of variety other things in Mac, because Tincter doesn't support Mac OS properly. So I have to import the specific library to import buttons in it. So in this I'm just starting up the root function, and it starts the Tincter function, and then it shows the window for it, given the name, and I have assigned the different values for this. Then I'm using values to create the map for it, and then it creates a map, and there are different buttons for opening different things like open color window and find and highlight button. So I'm using the definition of box click event that shows all the different values of buttons that are clicked. And then I have the print values button, which prints the map. And then I have change color, which is used in combination with box click, so that I can change the colors of all the different things if I have to unclick it and then use it again. So in this scenario I can just use change color. Then creating a map is but nothing but we are using all the values which we gain from the user to start up the map. Because I'm creating a map from the user input, so I have to define it using a function. And then I have open color window, which nothing but opens up the button window with all different buttons for end and start. And then we have find, start, and end, which is for finding the blocks, areas where we have the end, and where we have the end, and where we have the start. So yes, and then we have the define highlight path, which is nothing but trying to find the path between the different end and start, and giving it the color blue. So yes, this is for finding the highlighted path. This is the main algorithm. Here we can see that we are using the algorithm in various, and in this we can see that I'm marking visited but as false as starting, and then we define it according to true and false if it is visited or not. Output is setting up the numbers for the range it has for the specific cell from the starting. So it gives keeps on adding up value so that it can like function properly. And then we have the queue, the main loop is working to find the neighbors, and then we are finding the specific cells and range between all that different function. And then we got after this find path, then we end in this end we can see that it is using the path, and then xy, and it creates a path like with coordinates of all different areas in the map. And this in this one it starts to use that function. I have removed the start and end from this specific list. I guess I should have removed this in the find path anyway, but yeah, still it works pretty fine, and we can see the path it found is pretty accurate. So I will try to run it once again. Yeah, it focuses on that one, and then 5 by 5, and I created a simple one. So open color window, and then I will put a start here and then the end here. So I can create this. So I've seen in certain robotic functions that use a lot of problems can be solved with using the right wall. So I'm trying to create a certain type of islands. So I will try to find it, and then it has found the proper method and the least most efficient path for this one. So thank you. That is all for my assignment, and this is my project.